Hi guys, you're welcome back. Spend the Saturday morning with me. So when I woke up from the bed, after after saying my prayers and reading my Bible and drinking water, the next thing I did was to enter the kitchen to steam my face. Guys, this is one of the things I do to keep my face the way I want it to be and to remove some dirt and unclog some pores in order for me to have a refreshed look. So guys, this is basically the process I took while steaming my face. I have to do it in turn so I don't get myself burnt or get myself hot. So after steaming my face, the next thing I did was to open my brown sugar that I'm going to use to exfoliate my lips. So guys, this is what the sugar looks like. Then I have to take turn to use it to scrub my lips just the way I'm doing it right now. Picture perfect moments. So when I was done exfoliating my lips, the next thing I did was to go into the bathroom to do my pedicure. So guys, this is me putting my two legs into the hot water. At this point, this water was so damn hot. But at the point, I have to dilute it a bit because I am not a chicken. I have to take my time to scrub my leg using the full scrub like so. After I finished with the full scrub, the next thing I did was to take my shower. Like I have to have my bath this morning. After which, the next thing I did was to go into the kitchen to make myself a sumptuous breakfast. I heard it would. I heard it would. So guys, it's breakfast time and what we have in the menu is oatmeal. So I have to cut open the oatmeal and dispense it into a container. After which I have to boil my egg. Then when my egg was ready, I have to rinse it with cold water. Then I have to put another water on fire for my oatmeal. So this is me adding the oatmeal to the hot water. After which I have to stir, add my sugar and my salt. Then finally my oatmeal is ready. I have to dispense it into this plate so I can go do justice to it as usual. So guys, this is me taking the breakfast into my bedroom so I can go relax and do justice to it. As you all know that I love relaxing in my bedroom a lot. In fact, my bedroom seems like my favorite room in this apartment. I hardly go to the other room. I always prefer staying here. So guys, this is me when I've already changed into my sexy lingerie in order for me to feel the vibe of breakfast in bed, you know. So guys, this is me dispensing the milk into the oatmeal and this is me turning it up so that I can do justice to it as you know. And the milk tastes so yummy in Happiness's voice. Rhythm is a dancer. That's a rumor on the block. But you can make me dance, babe. Like no other I have found. Rolling through the hills. So guys, when I was done with my breakfast, I have to go straight to the kitchen so I can do the dishes. So guys, this is me doing the dishes and carefully doing the dishes based on what material thing now. So guys, this is basically how my Saturday morning went and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for loving me. I love you all.